children, quickly, I think it will take 5-10 minutes to just do the question answers of this chapter. Extra question answers I have already sent it to you. So let's see what are the question answers. First, state true and false. James Mill divided Indian history into 3 periods: Hindu, Muslim, Christian. So it's an false, because we know James Mill divided the Indian history into Hindu, Muslim and British. The next question is, official documents help us understand what the people of the country think. False. Official documents only gives us the idea of what did the British think, not what the people think, right? So this is also false. Third is, the British thought survey were important for effective administration. Absolutely correct. True. The British thought that if you want to rule a country, to administrate a country properly, you should do a good survey. What is survey? A complete, to find out the complete story or history or thing about that place. So it is true. So now let's come to the question answers. First question, what is the problem with the periodization of Indian history that James Mill offer? For this you have to come to page number 4 of your test book. Page number 4. See page number 4 of your test book. And in the second paragraph you have to come. Second means this paragraph I am talking about, right? And here you have to do lot of editing. So see, I am dictating you the answer. If I even say it once, there is no issues, because you can just rewind, listen to it and again write it, or pause it and write it. Okay. So here you can start your answer with the first line, that James Mill divided Indian history into 3 parts. And what were those 3 parts? Hindu, Muslim and British. So your first line is, James Mill divided Indian history into 3 parts: Hindu, Muslim and British. This is your number 1 point. Number 2 point. For number 2 you have to start from here. Here it's written, can we refer? So you have to do, we cannot refer any period of history as Hindu, Muslim or British. Second point, we cannot refer any period of history as Hindu, Muslim or British. This is the second point. Third point, varieties of faith existed simultaneously in this period. See, I am taking all the lines from this para only. Just I am editing, just I am skipping few words or adding some word, that you have to listen, but everything is taken from this para only. Okay. So first point is, James Mill divided Indian history into 3 parts: Hindu, Muslim and British. Number 2, that we cannot refer any period as Hindu, Muslim or British. Variety of faith existed simultaneously in this period. This is number 3. Number 4, we can't put any period into characterization of any age through the religion of the ruler of the time. Or in simple word you can write, we should why should, it's written, why should we characteristic an age only through religion of the ruler of the time. So the characteristics of an religion can't be taken. Okay. Fourth point, we should always remember that even ruler of ancient India did not share the same faith. So this is your fourth point. So this 4 points you can write it down in your para. So actually the first and second point only you have to do. The third, fourth point you can write it from the same, from the book. Okay. Now coming to the second question. Second question is, why British preserve official documents? Very easy. You have to come to page number 5. And here no editing, nothing. You have to write the complete para, because it's very important. You have to write both the para. Yeah, sorry. You have to come to page number 5. See, this is your page number 5. Page number 5. You have to write. Then the question is, why British preserved official documents? So you will start one important source. You don't need to write one. You can start with important source is the British official records of British administration. Okay, the British believed that the act of writing was important. You can start from this second point line actually. The British believed that the act of writing was important. Every instruction, plan, policy, decision, agreement, investigation had to be clearly written up. I am talking about this part. Okay, from here I have started my answer. So from there, the British believed that the act of writing was important till preserve important record. Preserve important record. You have to write from here to here completely. No editing, nothing. Exactly what is written. You have to write it for answer number 3 in the test book. Now what is question number 4? Let's see what is our question number 4. Question number 4 is, how will you this is you have to do from your own, but I'll give you the answer. How will the information historians get from an old newspaper be different from that found in the police report? Now what if one incident has happened? If the historian takes one newspaper, what story has been written about that incident in the newspaper, and if the historian takes a police report of the same incident, what is written in the police report? Maybe it is different. Sometimes it used to be different. Why? Because see, police reports will be always giving the favor to the Britishers, right? Because the police used to work under the British. But newspaper, as we saw, newspapers were written by the Indians. They used to give the actual picture of the society. So the answer here, I'll dictate it slowly once. You can pause it, you can rewind it and write down the answer. The answer is, newspaper produce a report of the event taking the view of the society, but police record will produce the report of the incidents with the reference of the administration. Once again I will repeat, newspaper will produce a report of the event taking in the view of the society, but police record would produce the report of the incidents with the reference to the administration. So this is your answer. You have already, I have shared many extra question answers with you of this chapter. So lot of writing work is there. So whenever you get time, I think you will get lot of time later coming days. In that time you can complete this chapter's question answers. Thank you so much. This is a small video only of the question answers.